Good evening, teacher nurses. And today, magsasagot po ulit tayo ng drug computation. And this time, hindi ko na po speed up yung video ko. Normal na speed na po siya para maintindihan yung lahat. So, sa number 1 question, tatanong is, run T5LR to run at 85 cc per hour. Compute for the drops per minute and the drop factor is 20 GTTS per M. So, binigay ang 85cc. 85cc means ml lang din yan. Then, hour. Binigay is hour, pero ang hinahanap is minute. Provide din siya ng drop factors. So, to compute for that, ml of solution divided by the total hours or yung minutes times yung drop factor. 5cc or ml divided by so, kung convert mo yan, yung hour sa minute, so 1 hour will be equivalent to 60 minutes times a factor ng 20. So, ang magiging sagot dyan ay 28.333. So, i-ano mo na lang. Tanong yung kung hanggang saan mag-round off. Pero usually, whole number to. So, equal mo na siya sa... Ang sagot is 28 drops per minute. Okay, so number 2 natin. Ang question is, 200cc fast drip has done with PNS 1 liter, then remaining fluid was regulated at 100cc per hour. How much longer will the remaining IV fluid run? And dagdagay din ang factor which is 15 GTTS per ml. So, paano siya i-compute? Convert mo muna yung 1 liter. Compute po natin. So, magiging 1,000 ml yun. So, total IV fluid na 1,000 minus mo sa na-consumed na 200. Ang remaining natin is 800. So, ang regulation daw is 100 ml per hour. So, ang gagawin natin dyan is 800 ml divided mo sa 100 ml per hour. Ang mga titira is 800 hours. Our question number 3. Run plain lactated ringer solution 1 liter to run over 80 drops per minute. And our drop factor is 20 drops per ml. Compute for the cc per hour. Convert minutes to hours, so 30 times 60 is 1,800. And i-divide yun sa drop factor which is 20. So 800 divided by 20 is 90. So the final answer is 90 cc per hour. For number 4 or the last question, we have PLR 1 liter to run at 600 cc. How much longer will the remaining IV fluid run? So, diba 1 liter. Then, nag-run na ng 600 cc. Ilan na lang, how much longer will the remaining IV fluid run? And yung running rate mo is 15 GTTS per minute and yung drop factor mo is 15 GTTS per ml. Okay, for the solution sa number 4, ang gagawin natin is yung 600cc i-times mo siya sa drop factor na 15 GTS and i-divide mo sa running rate na 15 GTS per minute. So, cancel mo yung 15, so 600 na. 600 minutes. Pero kapag hiningi yung remaining hours, hindi i-divide mo sa 60 kasi we have 60 minutes per hour. And that will give us 10 hours. So, the answer is 10 hours. Oh, yun lang po. See you again next week. Ito po, para makita nyo na po. Screenshot nyo na and study. See ya next week.